How to fix IMO app not working. Is your IMO app acting up? Maybe it's not opening, calls are not connecting, or message just won't send. It's super frustrating. But don't worry, we are going to get it sorted out with a few simple steps. First things first, let's check your internet connection. You can see my internet right over here. And you can see it have all the network ban on, and if it is not available, you can switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps or not. If your internet is fine, let's try a quick restart. Close the IMO app completely from your recent apps like this and just tap on clear all and see if it works or not. And if it still doesn't working, what you have to do is go ahead and restart your entire phone. This simple trick resolves a surprising number of glitches. Next, we can try clearing the app cache. For that, what you have to do is simply go to the setting. Can see my setting right over here. Let's tap on it. And under setting, go to the apps and all apps. Over here, search for IMO. Tap on it. And now inside the app info, simply tap on storage and cache, which is right over here, the third option. Give it a tap. And there you can see an option called clear cache, which right now is 12.25 MB. Tap on clear cache and it's done. This won't delete any of your chats, it just clean up your temporary files. Finally, is your app updated? Head over to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for the IMO. If there's an update button waiting for you, tap on it. Developers are always fixing out the fixes for the bugs. Hopefully, one of these steps got your IMO working again. Let me know in the comments which one did work for you. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.